Hi, very good afternoon to all. My name is Bhavana and our subject is Business Economics. This is for BBA for first years in first semester. In this previous we discuss what is the demand, definition of the demand and how the demand will affect and what are the assumptions of the law of demand. Now we are discussing what are the exceptions of the law of demand. Now we are discussing exceptions. In previous we discussed assumptions. These are exceptions. These are exceptions to the law of demand. The law of demand does not apply in every case and situation. The law of demand does not apply in each and every case and situation. The circumstances when the law of demand becomes ineffective. In some of the cases the law of demand become ineffective are known as exceptions. These we can say the law of demand does not apply on those factors. We can say there is an exceptions to the law of demand. Law of demand does not apply in each and every situation. The circumstances when the law of demand becomes the circumstances of the law of demand becomes ineffective are known as exceptions of the law of demand. What are the exceptions of the law of demand? Let's see here. Given goods. Given goods means inferior goods which are low quality goods. Some special variety of inferior goods are termed as given goods. Example, bread, low quality of rice and wheat. In this case the law of demand does not affect because the income of the consumer increases. They shifted to the high quality. There is no change in price and also demand. So it is completely exceptions to the law of demand. If there is increase in income of the consumer, he shifts completely to high quality goods. For this goods there is no effect. So we can say the law of demand does not apply in case of the given good. Some special varieties of inferior goods are termed as given goods. Example, bread, low quality of rice and wheat. If any case there is an increase in the income of the consumer will shift the high quality of goods. So there is no effect in particular good. We can say the law of demand does not apply. Next, conspicuous consumption. What is a conspicuous consumption? A few goods like diamond etc. are purchased by rich. A few goods like diamonds are purchased by rich and wealthy sections of the society. Only diamonds are purchased those who have huge capital only. The prices of goods are so high. The diamond cost is very much high. Sorry. I'm really sorry, excuse me. The higher the prices of the diamond, the higher the prestige value. They feel like that if there is high price in diamond, they feel there is a prestigious good. So in this case the law of demand does not apply. Why we can say the law of demand does not apply? The society feels that if there is a high price in demand, there is a high prestige value. So when the price of good falls, if there is any price of good falls, the consumer think the prestige value of the goods come down. Now we discuss there is a high price, they feel there is a high prestige value. When the price of the good falls, they think that the prestige value of the goods and the demand of the goods are also false. So quantity demanded of these goods fall when the fall in the prices. The quantity demand as of price when the fall in prices. What is our law of demand? When the price rises, the demand falls. But in this case, when the price falls, the demand falls. It is positively affected, but our law of demand is inversely proportional. So law of demand does not apply. In this case the law of demand does not apply. Why? Because the conspicuous consumption, a few goods like diamond etc. are purchased. These are purchased by only rich people and wealthy sections of the society. The price of goods are so high. In these goods the prices are so very high. The higher the price of diamond, the higher the prestige value. When the higher the price, we feel like that there is a higher prestige value. When the price falls, the demand of the particular product also falls. So quantity demand of this good falls, the price fall with their prices. So law of demand does not apply. In this case the law of demand does not apply. Law of demand apply when the price rises, the demand falls. When the price falls, the demand rises. So next exception. Conspicuous necessities. They are conspicuous consumption. These are necessities. Certain things become necessities of modern life. In modern life, certain things becomes necessities. The demand for TV sets, automobiles, and refrigerators, etc., had not gone down. It has not gone down in spite increase in their price. If there is increase in price also, we have to purchase these products in modern society. So increase in prices also, there is no change in demand. So in this case also, the law of demand does not apply. These things become the symbol of status. These also things become the symbol of status. In law of demand states, when there is a price rise in price, there is a decrease in demand. But in case of TV sets, automobiles, and refrigerators, as the price increases also, the demand for the particular product do not change, because they feel like that it is the status symbol. These things become the symbol of the status. In this case also, the law of demand does not apply, because the law of demand states if the price increases, the demand decreases. But in this case, the price increases, there is no change in demand. Next, ignorance of consumer. Ignorance of consumer. What is the meaning of ignorance of consumer? A consumer ignorance is the another factor that at all times include him to purchase more of commodity at higher prices. This is especially when the consumer is hunted by phobia that the high printed commodity it is better quality and low price. Sorry, it is a high priced commodity, not printed. I am really sorry, my mistake. Some of the customers will feel like that when there is a high price, it is a very good quality. When there is a low price, it is low quality. This is the ignorance of the consumer based on their phobia, means they feel like that. So for that reason also, the law of demand does not apply. A consumer ignorance is another factor that at all times include him to purchase more of commodity. They purchase more of the commodity at high price only, because they feel that when there is a high price, there is a good quality. Then there is a low price, there is a cheap quality. This is especially when the consumer is haunted by phobia. Those consumers have very phobia, like then the high priced commodity is better in quality than a low priced one. So in this case also, ignorance of consumer, the law of demand does not apply. Here the consumer ignore all these factors and they feel that when there is a high price, the quantity is very good. When there is a low price, the quantity is not good. So in this case also, the law of demand does not apply. Next, emergencies. Emergencies like war, famine, etc. When there is emergency means when our country is facing the war, or famine means natural calamities, floods, etc. Negative operation of demand. We have a negative operation of demand. At such times, households behave in an abnormal way. In these conditions, our households, like our mothers, will become in an abnormal way. Emergencies like wars, famine, etc. Negative operation of demand. There is a negative operation of demand. Such times households became in a abnormal way. Our households will become in a abnormal way. Households accentuate scarcities. Household estimate scarcities and induce further price rise by making increased purchases even at higher price during such period. Our households things like that. Our parents, our mother will be think like that. In this situation, the price may increases in further. In future also, the prices may increases. For that, they purchased in present only for high price. Already they are high price, but they think like that in future they may also increases. Present there is a one price, already it is a high price. In future maybe it also increases. For that reason they have to purchase now only. If there is an increase in price, already the price is increased also they purchase huge quantities. They estimate the future. So in this reason also, in law of demand applies. When the price rises, the demand decreases. But in this case, the price rises, the demand automatically increases because of purchasing bulk quantities in high price also. Let's see here. Emergencies. Emergencies like wars, famine, etc. Negative operation of demand. At such times, household behaves in a abnormal way. At the time of natural calamities, wars, the households became abnormal. At that time, our prices are also high, like rise our necessities, but our households thinks in future also they may again increases. For that reason, if increase in price also, they buy more quantities in this present, so the demand for the particular product again increases. Increase in price also, demand also increases. For that reason, the law of demand does not apply. The law of demand applies when there is a high price, there is a less demand, the demand of the particular product will go down. When there is a price decreases, the demand of the particular product increases. But in this case, due to such situation, the price rise also, the demand for the particular product increases. So it is also one of the exceptions to the law of demand. Next, future change in prices. Household acts as a speculator. Here he acts as the speculator. When the price are rising, household tend to purchase large quantities of a commodity out of apprehension. There is no rise in price also, the households thinks like that in future there may be increases. Up to now they have to purchase bulk quantities. For that reason also, the demand of the particular product increases, the price may still go up. Household acts as the household acts as a speculator means they want to avoid the risk. When the prices are rising, household tend to purchase large quantities. What the law says, when the price rises, the demand of the particular product comes down. But in this case, in future expectations, our households thinks like that the upcoming future the prices again rises. For that reason, they have to purchase now only in bulk quantities, for then the demand of the particular product goes on increasing. Here the price increases, the demand also increases. This is also one of the reason. In this case, the law of demand does not apply, sir. So for that reason also, the demand for the particular goods increases. Already there is a rise in price, but our households thinks like that in future also again there is a rise in prices. For that reason, at present the demand for the particular goods increases, but law of demand says that if there is any rise in price, the demand of the particular good comes down. So this is also one of the exceptions to the law of demand for estimating the future price in present. And next, change in fashions. Change in fashions also one of the exception. If there is any change in fashions, the demand of the particular product also change. There is no change in the prices. So we can say this is also one of the exceptions to the law of demand. So we can say these are the exceptions to the law of demand. What are the exceptions? Given goods, inferior goods. If the income of the consumer increases, they shift into high quality goods. So in this case, the demand does not affect. So we can say it is an exception to the law of demand. In conspicuous consumption means like diamonds, it is the prestigious symbol of the society. They purchase only the high class people. If the price increases, they feel that the prestige of the particular product also increases. If the price decreases, they feel like that the prestige of the particular good also decreases. So what the law of demand says, if the price increases, the demand decreases. But in this case, when the price increases, here the demand also increases. In this case also, the law of demand does not apply. It is an exception. And in case of conspicuous necessities is nothing but in the modern society it became very necessaries like automobiles, TV sets, refrigerators, etc. If the price increases, there is no change in demand because of they think it is a symbol of status. But in these goods also, the law of demand does not apply, because if the price increases, the demand also increases or maybe a constant. There is no decrease in demand because they feel like that they are prestigious goods and they are the symbol of the society. If the TV sets, automobiles and refrigerators, if there is any increase in price also, the demand also regularly increases. There is no decline of the demand because they feel they are the status symbols. They feel like that this is a prestigious good in the modern society, so they feel it is the status symbol. Next, ignorance of consumer ignorance. In some of the consumers will feel like that if there is any increase, there is a high price, for example for the particular product has high quality. For example, we take, there are two different types of it. First wheat, it kg is 50 rupees and next is 58 rupees. They feel like that 58 is very good because of high price. There is a for a particular good, if any good has a high price, some of the customers will feel like that the quality is also very high. When the price is decreases, they feel like the quality also decreases. This is also one of the reasons. In this case also the law of demand does not apply. We can say it is also exception. In general, we think like that if there is a price decreases, the demand automatically increases. But in this ignorance of consumer, they feel like that the high priced goods only high quality and the low priced goods are low quality. So in this case also the law of demand does not apply. Next, emergencies. In case of wars, famines, natural calamities, in this situation the necessities like wheat, rice are automatically they increase in the price. For increase in the price also, the demand again increases more than its price, because the households think like that in future the price again raises. For that reason they have to purchase bulk quantities in the present. So already price rises, they feel again they rises. For that reason they purchase bulk quantities. If the price rises, the demand falls. But in that situation, when the price rises, the demand rises more than its price. So we can say this is also one of the exceptions while conducting the law of demand. In this situation, the law of demand does not apply. It is an exception to the law of demand. And next, future change in prices. Based on future prices also, some customers estimate future prices based on our present. They purchase bulk quantities. For that also, if the rise in price, the demand also increases for this particular quantity. We can say this is also one of the reason. In this case also the law of demand does not apply. It is an exception to the law of demand. Change in fashions. According to the same, there is a change in fashions of the consumer, the price does not change but the demand automatically changes. So we can say it is an exception to the law of demand. These are all the exceptions to the law of demand. Given goods, conspicuous consumption, conspicuous necessities, and ignorance of customer. If there is any ignorance of the customer, in any case of emergencies, estimation of future change in price. There is a estimation of future change in price and change in factors. These are all the exceptions to the law of demand. Up to now we discussed what is the demand and determinants of the demand and how demand function will affect. We see the assumptions of the demand and also exceptions to the law of demand. I hope you understand this lecture. If you have any doubts regarding this today's lecture, please let me know. I definitely clarify your doubts, guys. Up to now we complete in second unit what are the concepts of demand we completed, determinants of demand we completed, law of demand we completed, exceptions to the law of demand we completed. If you have any doubts in first chapter also, please let me know and I definitely clarify your doubts. If you anybody not watch the first videos, please go through and watch it, because it is in continuity of each and every video. If you watch one video and miss the second and watch third video, you may be unable to understand, because there is a continuity for each and every topic. So please go through all the videos up to first up to now. If you have any doubts in any concept, please let me know. I definitely clarify your doubts. If you feel like that I am unable to understand this concept, then also please let me know. I definitely clarify your doubts and I definitely repeat the concept for you for asking a particular concept. Up to now we covered the syllabus First unit we completely covered, and second unit up to the exceptions to the law of demand. Up to now, if you want to repeat any concept, unable to understand, you are unable to understand, please let me know. I definitely repeat the concept. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Be safe.